Who is she?
She is a girl.
Who is she?
She is a woman.
Who is she?
She is a dancer.
Who is she?
She is a tennis player.
Who is she?
She is a student.
Who is she?
She is a housewife.
Who is she?
She is a queen.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
Who is she?
She is a doctor.
Who is she?
She is a singer.
Who is she?
She is a bride.
Who is she?
She is a passenger.
Who is she?
She is a pilot.
Who is she?
She is a sanitary worker.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.